How's it going? In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a screenshot shortcut in Samsung. So pull down your notification bar, and at the top you'll see a pencil beside the power icon. Press on the pencil, and then you have the option to either add it to your top main notification bar or your full quick settings. So we're going to put it on the top, so we'll just edit. And you can't have more than six buttons here, so we're going to remove the airplane mode and then press on the take screenshot widget, which will add it to the top, and then press done. And then once we pull down the notification bar again, you'll see that the take screenshot widget has been added. So you simply just press it and that'll take a screenshot. So that's how to add a screenshot shortcut in Samsung. Thank you for watching.